just within this short vicinity, there's up to an inch difference in the ice, which can be a difference between falling through and not falling through. So the main thing you want to remember is try to be calm. It is scary. It is, you know, the wind's kind of going to take it out of you as soon as you hit the water. But what you're going to want to do is try to remain calm the best you can. Hopefully you'll have your ice picks with you. And you're going to want to try to pull yourself out using those ice picks. You don't want to try to get up and stand. You're going to want to try to pull yourself and cover the most surface area to prevent the ice from cracking. So you're almost going to think of it more as a crawl on your stomach as you're using the ice picks to kind of pull yourself forward. I think the biggest mistake people make on is getting too eager to get out there and catch a couple fish. They go out there when the ice is 1, 2 inches sometimes, and then that's when people get in trouble and fall through, or they bring out vehicles too early. And you know, that's not something you want to endanger your life for, just to catch a couple sunfish or whatever. So it's very important to make sure that the lake is properly frozen and you got enough to keep you and your family safe.